Hey everybody, Coach Fury, Fury Industries. Do you struggle with your kettlebell clean? Do they sometimes look like one of these? The forward and back. That doesn't feel great. Side and in. The up and down drop. Now, if any of those look familiar to you, I want you to think of two things. One, you gotta relax your grip. And two, I want you to imagine yourself being in a glass cage of emotion. If you've seen the movie Anchorman, you're in a glass cage of emotion that starts this high, to the sides and to the front. So the next time you clean your kettlebell and re-clean your kettlebell, you're gonna keep it very close to the body, but with a relaxed grip. So the next set is gonna be within my glass cage of emotion. See how nice and low, nice and forward, not out to the side. And a relaxed grip, so I don't have excess tension. So, the next time you're practicing your cleans, and that's really all they need is practice, is imagine yourself in your own glass cage of emotion. Milk was a bad choice.